Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to make the font size bigger on Snapchat. So if you guys wanna, go ahead and make your font size a little bit bigger. If you, can't necessarily see those texts that people send you on the Snapchat application. Well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to basically do is to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Log into your preferred account, and once you're already here, let's go ahead and just tap on this icon over on our profile. And what I want you to do on here is to actually utilize the specific effect that is available on the Snapchat Plus icon. All we need to do is go ahead and subscribe to Snapchat Plus, and we are gonna have the option to basically, have this so-called chat effects, wherein we could utilize this and send our text in a higher font size. Now, of course, the only downside to this is we do need to pay up and subscribe to a Snapchat Plus. But that is the only way wherein we could actually enjoy a larger screen and text sizes over on the Snapchat application. So go ahead and subscribe, and you will have the option to change your chat's font sizes correctly on the application. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.